Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic discounts with Bold subscriptions. Dynamic discounts work with standard subscriptions to allow you to change the discount automatically after a specific number of orders have passed. This can help incentivize customers to subscribe by increasing discounts after a certain amount of orders have passed, which rewards customer loyalty and keeps them subscribed to your products longer. With that being said, let's go through the steps of creating a standard subscription with a dynamic discount. In the Bold Subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups on the menu navigation. On this page, click Create Subscription Group. In the Subscription Information section under Group Name, enter a name for the subscription group. This name is for internal use to help you identify this subscription group from others in Bold Subscriptions. Next, you need to select the products you want to add to the subscription group. Click Select Products, choose your products you want included in this subscription group, and click Confirm. In this video, we'll be skipping over the convertible setting. Please visit our Help Center to find step-by-step instructions and a video tutorial for creating a convertible subscription. Next, under Subscription Frequency, you need to specify the subscription frequencies that you want to offer for the products you selected earlier. Enter the subscription frequencies you would like to offer on the product page for each product chosen in the subscription group. If you're using a fixed subscription frequency where the subscription renews on the same day regardless of when the subscription is purchased, it's best to use cutoff days. You can read more about subscription frequencies and cutoff dates on our Help Center. In the next section titled Order Requirements, this setting allows you to specify a minimum number of orders that must pass before a subscriber can cancel their subscription. This feature ensures that customers must stay subscribed for a minimum number of orders in order to benefit from your subscription discounts. Before enabling this feature, it's recommended to check with your local laws to ensure your region allows the minimum order requirements. Enable a toggle in this section if you'd like to use a minimum order requirement. Then enter a value you would like to use as the order requirement. Please note that the initial order counts towards the minimum order requirement. In this video, we'll be skipping over the prepaid setting. Please visit our Help Center to find step-by-step instructions and a video tutorial for creating a prepaid subscription. In the last section, you can set your subscription discounts, including your dynamic discount. Enable the toggle, choose either % off or amount off, and enter a value for your initial subscription discount. Check the box next to Change Discount after a specific number of orders. Expand the menu under After the and select the number of orders which must pass before the discount changes. Please note that the number of orders you choose includes the customer's initial order. Enter your discount amount in the Discount Offer field and expand the Type menu to choose a % off or amount off discount. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to save your subscription group. Navigate to your storefront, then navigate to a product page you selected in the subscription group. The subscription widget will look like this on the product page and should contain the dynamic discount information below the frequencies. If I add this product into the cart and proceed into the checkout, you'll see that the initial order will contain the 10% off discount and all future orders will contain the higher discount as set in the subscription group. And that's all there is to it. For more information on dynamic discounts, check out our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.